Christina, Navy. I know you've got a shipload of them. Let's talk about the top two or three.
Yeah, so a couple of things I want to focus in on, especially this year. And remember, for fiscal year 26, we're halfway through the year.
Oh, yeah.
So we're swiftly moving through the timelines. But for this year, my office is really focused on ensuring that acquisitions are in a place where mission owners can access the cloud that they need in a seamless manner. In consolidating to JWCC, for instance, it's been a real challenge for mission owners and for some of our syscoms to go and put contracts in place on their own or task orders on the IDIQ. So what we're trying to do is we're actually emulating a lot of what ECMA has done. I've been in touch with his office, with Tom's office, about emulating their acquisition strategy. I think the Navy's
Nice.
done, yeah, I think the Navy's done some really good work on the innovation front, but we haven't been creative in our acquisitions, and that has inhibited us. So that's something that we're really focusing in on this year. The other things that we're working on are multi-cloud and integration across different service branches. So for one, on the Dawn side, we have the Navy and the Marine Corps. So we have a lot of requirements that differ between our Navy syscoms and our Marine Corps syscom. So making sure that there's a framework where both environments can work seamlessly, even with those different environments, is really important. It's also a little bit of a programming challenge because the Marine Corps has money that is programmed by Congress and the Navy can't use, but the Navy
Mm,
can use their funds to support the Marine Corps. So we're
interesting.
trying to really focus on that Navy framework and enable that infrastructure so that the Marine Corps can focus on Marine Corps mission and not their core IT infrastructure.
Ah,
Um, the last thing I'll say, because I know time is a factor here, from that multi-cloud mentality, one of the things that we've been really looking hard at is across the COCOMs globally, our command and control applications and services aren't just Navy. They're Army, they're DOW, they are Air Force. And so if I have an application that's really important to INDOPACOM, which is Navy AOR, area of responsibility, but it's run by the Army and it's in Google Cloud, and my Navy apps are in AWS, those applications for command and control still need to talk to each other. They still
mm-hmm.
need to be integrated, and that means that our joint forces have to be even more joint than they ever have been before from a data perspective and an integration perspective.